Hi, I'm Amina. I'm at Financial Force in Harrogate. Can you please tell me what you do here?
I look after the HR and recruitment function for financialforce.com in the UK. So as a company, we make financial software and professional services automation software for use across many different types of businesses. Here in Harrogate is really the main hub for development of the software, so we've got quite a large team of software developers, as well as support and marketing and a large sales function here as well.
So what kind of roles are available to young people?
The type of people that we recruit, they fit necessarily a person profile, because it could be somebody who's got many years experience coming from a similar type of organisation, and it can be somebody who's straight from university looking for their first role.
So what is the application process?
We've recently just changed the application process to handle things all through our website. So we advertise all the roles across the UK, Spain and in the US. People would go on there, they'd see the role that they'd like to apply for, hit apply, and they enter their details, upload the CV or a covering letter if they've not got the experience, and it comes direct through to me. I then read through the CV or letters and I call everybody that I like the look of. Our then interview process can become a little bit more stringent, so we have a variety of tests that we will undertake with candidates. We will also bring them in for face-to-face interviews. So if somebody's, for example, not got a great deal of experience, they can just come and speak to us about a subject that they find exciting or they're passionate about, so we can see what kind of person they are.
Can you give me some examples of questions you like to ask in interviews?
Okay, one of my favourite questions that I ask at interview is, what does the person love? What is their passions? What do they do outside of work? Questions that I ask are typically competency based, so it's asking people for examples of when they have been in certain situations or scenarios, so you can then begin to match what their experience has been to what it's like in your organisation.
Thank you very much, Matt.
Quite all right, thank you for coming in to visit us.
What is your job here at financialforce.com?
I am a developer, and we program the product that we're going to sell.
My official job title is customer support analyst, so I work on the support desk, so any issues that our customers have, and we do our best to answer their questions and give them a solution as quickly as we can.
How did you find out about the job you're doing now?
Well, straight after I left university, I went on quite a lot of different sites and put my CV on there and a covering letter, and this one just came up in an email and I applied.
I was actually referred by a friend who already worked here. He saw the job description and knew that I was looking for a job.
What qualifications and skills did you need for this job?
There's a number of technical skills that you need, but the main one is a degree in computer science, and there's other certain aspects such as object-oriented programming, experience with more specific things like SQL.
My degree is actually in English literature, so it's not directly related to the job that I have now. But to work on the support desk, we need good analytical skills, which I learnt and developed at uni. Also really good customer service skills, so you have to be able to be polite and to assure them that you're doing all that you can and that you're competent. So I kind of acquired those through my jobs before uni and whilst I was at uni.
What are the good things about your job?
We have a pool table. Problem solving. That's the main thing that my job is. We're given a problem and I have to work out how to do it. Sometimes more difficult than it sounds.
I really enjoy the fact that it's customer based, that I get to interact with the customers, I get to speak to them either via email or on the phone, so that's what I enjoy most about my role here.
What opportunities are there for career progression here?
I'm a developer and I started here as a junior, and there's another level above that which is senior developer, and then there's tech lead, and then maybe on to management after that.
If I get the chance to move up in the career ladder, I'd love to do that as well, but at the moment my focus is improving in the job that I'm in at the moment.
What kind of training have you had since you started working here?
I've had a lot of product training because whilst I use software, I've never really thought about how it works or why it does what it does. So I've had to learn that in order to pass that information on to our customers.
Do you face any challenges whilst working here?
The lack of technical background has been a challenge for me. It's meant that I've had to do a lot of learning quite quickly. Also, prioritising questions is difficult as well, because obviously for customers all of their questions are really important, but we have to pick out which ones are the most important for us, so we have to prioritise accordingly for ourselves as well as for our customers. That's been quite difficult as well.
Have you got any advice for young people who would like to do a similar job?
You need to show willing to learn, and that's not just learning from the people that have been here for a long time as well. It's new people that come in, even if they are younger than you, learning as much as you can, learning from as many different people as you can. Just make sure you keep learning.
Be open to different job opportunities. So this isn't necessarily what I thought I wanted to do, but now I'm here. I really love it, and I think I'm good at it. So I'd be open to learning and open to suggestions would be my advice.